Don't forget, if you like art and you want to show it, pick up a Halloween drawing sticker. These are only going to be around till October 31st, 2022. And then after that, I'm going to take them away forever. So pick one up before then. I put these on water bottles. I put these on, on my laptop. I put them all over the place. But definitely pick one up if you like showing your spirit. Anyways, let's get back. Hey, how's it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw a scary ghost. It's going to be simple, easy, completely for beginners. There's many different ways to draw a ghost, so go check out the ghost drawing playlist. I'm going to put that link in the description, or you can just go to the playlist section. So let's hop right in, okay? I'm going to go right here and go to the top of the ghost, and the top of the ghost has usually that. Kind of like a curved line right there. Going to go out, I'm going to go downward here, kind of swoop out. Go over here, swoop out, curve here, curve here, curve here, curve here. Just kind of wobbling it down, right? Because it is like more or less like a cloth hanging over like the head of something, right? Of like a person usually. Down over here, kind of wobbling down, wobbling down, wobbling down. Curve over here. Gonna go over here on this side, down. 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 Over here on this side, down, 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 down. Obviously, there's tension at the top of the cloth, right? And it's kind of, forming these kind of tension lines down. I'm gonna go over here, curve at the top, curve at the bottom, line over here, curve at the top, curve at the bottom, line over here. Let's make that line a little bit bigger. And all right, so we got the two eyes there now. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you like learning how to draw stuff from Halloween. I'm going to be posting stuff on here through this season. So from this month and next month, you're going to get tons of Halloween drawing videos. And the cool part is when you subscribe, you're going to get videos for the next year, like next year when I start posting again. And that's what's cool about it. You can be like, oh, what was that channel again? But nope, it's already in your feed next year. So definitely hit the subscribe, click the bell notification. Whew. I'm gonna go right here, and I'm gonna draw the mouth like this. So, down over here, and the mouth is open down there. Right on. Let's go over here and fill that in. Right on. So you got the mouth shaped like that. And now what we're gonna do is we're gonna focus a little bit more on these tension lines, okay? So we draw a little bit more. The lines are almost always gonna be thinner, thinner, line, 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 over here, over here, and I'm drawing these thin lines right here to kind of show not just the folding of the fabric, but just some kind of like maybe some light catching right here. Just like, again, some essentially detail lines that you're throwing in. And it kind of makes stuff a lot more believable and makes it a lot more detailed, and it just makes things a lot just better all around. And we're just throwing these thin lines here again for pure detail, and it does a lot. You'd be surprised. It actually makes everything look a lot more worked on. It makes it look much more just in general better. Go check out the go download the free templates. There are free drawing templates, so go check those out. I'm gonna put the link below. Basically, it's like these how to draw worksheets, and I give you 100 of them for free, totally for free. So go take a look at that. That is going to be in the it's going to be in the description over there. So go take a look at that. But yeah, those templates were like something I worked on for a while, and yeah, now I'm putting them out there. Right here. Throwing this around here. And that's it. I want to thank you very much for watching. As far as like adding anything to this, you could probably add like another ghost in the back over here, like, you know, like there's an army of these guys. You could probably do that. But anyways, thank you so much. I appreciate it. You are amazing. What I want you to do is I want you to reach out to me any way you can. Share the video if you can as well. Sharing is caring. The Halloween season is pretty much here, honestly. It's actually earlier and earlier every year, and I really feel like it's strong this year. So definitely share the video. Let's get out there, and I'm gonna talk to you so much about a lot of cool stuff. And that's it. Thank you so much. I will talk to you later, and I will see you very, very soon. And yeah, like I said, stay spooky.